7 reasons you should learn Welsh this year. In 7th place, it's so that you can make absolutely sure that those people at the bar in that pub in Gwynedd aren't talking about you. In 6th place, it's speaking more than one language helps keep your brain healthy and helps keep Alzheimer's at bay. It's probably the best brain exercise in the world. In 5th place, it's if you want to keep your brain fit, you're going to have more chances to use Welsh in Wales than you are to practice Spanish or Chinese. Seriously now. In 4th place, it's all those jobs for Welsh speakers. There must be at least a dozen of them. More importantly, even if the job you're applying for doesn't require Welsh, it's still going to impress them that you've learnt and give you that vital edge over someone who hasn't even tried. In 3rd place, it's social wealth. It is lovely being able to switch in and out of 2 different languages on a night out and get drunk and confused in both of them. Oh, and it's good for flirting too. In 2nd place, it's Invisible Wales. That other country full of singers and writers and bands and weird comedians and poets that you never even notice until you speak Welsh. You probably don't even know who Meinir Gwilym is, do you? Meinir Gwilym, for God's sake! Quick, learn Welsh. And up at the top, in 1st place, we have to be serious. It's your language too. You live in Wales, so this language is all around you, as you'll notice more and more when you learn it. This is your country, so this is your language too. Speak it or not, you have shared ownership of it. And when you do learn it, you'll discover just how deep those roots go. Now, if you already knew you wanted to learn Welsh, or if shock, horror, a video on the internet just changed your mind, for God's sake don't tell Donald Trump, then have a look at the online anytime courses we run that are actually guaranteed to turn you into a confident Welsh speaker. Our 6-month course is at www.saysomethingin.com/6MWS. And our 2-year course is at www.saysomethingin.com/2YWS.